In the grand classroom of life, we spend our formative years diligently absorbing lessons on history, mathematics, and literature. Yet, there's a critical subject often left in the shadows, shrouded in mystery and whispered about in hushed tones: the art of managing money. As I navigate the tumultuous waters of adulthood, I've come to realize that some of the most valuable lessons about money were never part of the curriculum. In this exploration, I unveil the clandestine world of financial wisdom, shedding light on the money secrets they don't teach in school. The power of emotional intelligence in finance. Schools may teach us how to calculate compound interest, but they rarely delve into the emotional side of financial decision-making. Money is more than just numbers on a page. It's a deeply emotional aspect of our lives. Understanding the psychological aspects of financial management is a secret weapon in achieving lasting wealth. From the impulse buys driven by emotions to the anxiety that accompanies debt, emotional intelligence is the key to unlocking financial success. The art of negotiation. The hallowed halls of academia often neglect a skill crucial in the real world: negotiation. Whether it's salary discussions, contract terms, or even haggling at the local market, the ability to negotiate can significantly impact one's financial standing. Learning to navigate the delicate dance of compromise and assertiveness is a secret handshake in the world of money, one that can open doors to opportunities and fortify your financial fortress. Investing beyond the classroom. While schools might touch on the basics of investing, they seldom impart the real-world strategies that can transform modest savings into a financial empire. Diversification, risk management, and the power of compounding are lessons often reserved for the initiated. This chapter unravels the secrets of investment wisdom, exploring the roads less traveled and unveiling the untapped potential that lies beyond the confines of traditional financial education. The language of credit scores. In the realm of personal finance, your credit score is your financial report card, yet schools rarely teach the language of credit. Understanding how credit scores work, the factors that influence them, and the long-term implications of a good or bad score can be the key to unlocking favorable interest rates, mortgages, and financial independence. In this chapter, I unravel the mysteries of credit scores and share the secrets to maintaining a healthy financial reputation. Entrepreneurial alchemy. The classroom may teach us how to be employees, but the true alchemy of wealth lies in entrepreneurship. The ability to identify opportunities, take calculated risks, and turn ideas into thriving businesses is a secret recipe for financial success. This chapter explores the entrepreneurial mindset, shedding light on the secrets of those who dared to step outside the conventional and build their financial empires. The hidden costs of consumerism. In the consumer-driven society we inhabit, schools often fail to emphasize the hidden costs of our relentless pursuit of material possessions. From the environmental impact of fast fashion to the toll of conspicuous consumption on our mental well-being, this chapter reveals the less discussed facets of our spending habits. Unraveling the complex web of consumerism, we explore the secrets of mindful spending and its profound impact on our financial health. The currency of time. While schools teach us the value of money, they often neglect to highlight the equally precious currency of time. Understanding the relationship between time and money is a secret that can redefine the pursuit of wealth. This chapter explores the concept of passive income, time management, and the art of leveraging time to create a life that goes beyond the constraints of a 9-to-5 existence. In conclusion, the journey through the uncharted territories of financial wisdom has been an eye-opening exploration. The secrets of money, concealed from the traditional curriculum, hold the key to a prosperous and fulfilling life. As we step into the world armed with these revelations, we not only manage our finances, but also master the art of living a truly abundant life.